What's up, you guys? We're right here at the Snapdragon Stadium for the RODEOX RIGS event. You can find us right here at RIGS and Paws. If you guys have never been to one of these events, it's something you don't want to miss out. Let's go ahead and get into the video and show you guys why.
I know it's cracking a little bit, but we'll get this going for you guys, all right?
All right, while we wait for the next giveaway, who wants more shirt? Where's it going? Left side! Oh!
Check it out, you guys. I just got some asada fries, some tacos, and jarritos. You guys can see, make sure to check them out. They are my good friends. And if you guys are at the RODEOX RIGS event, they're gonna be right in front of Front Runner, as you guys can see. So check them out, try out their food. Everybody's super friendly. And also, if you guys do have some events and you guys do wanna go ahead and book them for yours, make sure to hit them up. Like I said, delicious and super friendly. Come check us out at the RIGS and Paws booth. There's the truck, come say hi. Check out all these other vendors. Everyone's setting up right now. So we'll see you guys at 8 once it opens up. Hell yeah.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.